since wala pala dito si Alvin. How do you relate and identify with the song na Kurba? And how is it also singing a totally new na non-cover song na, kasi diba as a singer-songwriter, you sing your own songs. So how is it interpreted, and may pressure din ba na na since yung song mo is written by another certified hitmaker with Sunkissed Lola na si Alvin Cerrillo.
Oh, alright.
Actually, grabe, it's a huge honor for me. Sobrang feeling talaga na mag-interpret ng isang kanta ni Kuya Alvin, yung from Sunkissed Lola. Siguro para sa akin po kasi, natutuwa ako kasi very great timing yung song. Yung song is called Kurba. And isipin natin parang siya okay lang ba mag-spoil?
Parang hindi.
Hindi po siya. Oh, yun. Malalaman nyo na lang po. Pero
so, finals na lang.
Itong song na to kasi very very in line with the song I just released, Dilaw. And I'm very, very happy and thrilled na syempre, nakasama ako sa isa sa mga interpreters, singers, dito sa first ever collaboration ng Himig Handog and Philpop. So grabe, maraming salamat.
First time mo rin mag-compete at yung
yes,
competition sa Nikon.
Okay. Yun po, very happy. Thank you po.
Maki, pakita mo naman yung nakakabit sa'yo.
Ay, si Pingo.
Pakita natin sa...
Ay, trademark na yan kahit nasa phone. Gamit niya.
Dinala ko po yung pinakapambato ko kasi super kinakabahan po ako ngayon.
Oh, cutie. Okay.
Ayun. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Chris?
And sa Philpop and Himig organizers, how was it organizing with each other? Considering na syempre may sarili kayong aesthetic, may sarili kayong standards when it comes to selecting the songs that
Sige, we can have Sir Gab and JM to answer.
Gab muna. Pwedeng naka-okay.
Okay ba kayo sa ginagawa natin? Pa-dinner-dinner, nag-dinner na nga sila eh, di ba?
Tatayo ba? Kailangan sa camera.
Gab, oo. Balik sa dating
Sir Gab,
question.
parang sa ating coverage, you're a Sir Gab today.
The process actually, very collaborative naman kami. I think malaking bagay na because Philpop and Himig Handog people are friends, and we collaborate a lot. Not necessarily even before yung sa songwriting contest na to. Like I know some of our coaches, they work with some of the songwriters and producers with Himig Handog and ABS-CBN. Kaya the friendship is there. And I think malaking bagay rin yung respect for each other, yung understanding that it's not Philpop yung nag-lead or yung Himig ang nag-lead, but we're partners in this with the same advocacy of elevating Filipino music and yung giving a platform for songwriters talaga to share their music and yung push further yung original Filipino music. So the process it's been siguro okay naman siya. We worked on yung what both organizations were good at, and then I guess you would say na we were learning from each other yung what we could do and yung leaning on each other's strengths. Kaya yung we're really excited na once marinig to ng public yung mga songs na from the top 12. I hope they enjoy it as much as we have nung listening to the songs. Si Sir John.
Sir JM.
Thank you, Gab.
Nakakailang tumayo dito sa gitna.
Ikaw ba nasaan?
Hello!
Sir Jonathan, ikaw naman pala may pakana ng mga iba. Ikaw pala yung nagliligaw.
Ayun, kasi magaganda yung songs. Actually, confident akong lumapit sa artist kasi sure ako na magugustuhan nila yung kanta. Kaya madaling manligaw pag magaganda yung kanta. Yun nga lang, nasa Japan kami ng mall.
Taray, Africa isa siya, Japan naman ngayon.
May
Africa kami ni Ice.
may sinasabi si Ice, oo.
May kasi narinig ko, niligawan si Moira sa Japan eh.
Ikaw saan, Ice?
Parang nandito lang ako sa recording studio. Parang medyo hindi lang fair.
Mag-Africa kami. Anyway.
Paalis ka bukas for the US.
Yes.
Wow!
Okay, pinag-uusapan yung process kasi syempre, may iba-iba tayong taste, di ba? So, eto, mas mahirap yung pinagdaanan ng mga composers kasi dalawang screening processes. So, in-screen siya ng Philpop group, in-screen din siya ng Himig Handog group. Pero ang na-discover namin sa process na to, kahit na magkakaiba man yung taste natin, syempre umupo kami na Sir Roxy, umupo yung team ni Dinah, ni Gab sa Philpop, and then nagtali kami ng scores ng bawat team sa screening. What we've discovered is magkakaiba man yung taste, we can all agree on a good song. Diba? So, nagulat kami nung nagtali na, pare-pareho pala kami ng pare-pareho din. Kumbaga kahit hindi naman bawal ng cheating, kailangan sari-sariling scores. And then na-realize namin kapag maganda yung kanta, maganda yung kanta. And yung naging results nung screening of both groups, Philpop and Himig Handog, yun na, masasabi ko, unanimous yung scores. And nagkaisa kami na ito yung mga songs na makakapasok. And we all agreed that itong set ng songs na to are really great songs. So hindi naman kami nag-away-away, no? Pare-pareho naman tayo ng favorites. At kasi minsan parang, uy, gusto ko yun, ba't hindi nakapasok yun? This time nung nag-screen kami, parang wala namang ganung case. Pare-pareho nag-agree kami na ito yung pinaka-best set ng songs na magre-represent ng Philpop Himig Handog collaboration this year. Congratulations again!
Yung statement ng Philpop Himig Handog this year.
Ang ganda, we can really feel the friendship dun sa naging process nila. And it's really true. Like when I would sit down with Himig Handog or Philpop sa mga events nila, minsan naguguluhan ako kung Philpop ba to Himig Handog kasi they're kind of the same people, they're friends, ganon. So it was really a natural progression, I think, na ngayon nag-collaborate yung Philpop and Himig Handog. And now let's go to our next friend from the media. We have Jay from Certified Kapamilya. And ako ang magbabasa
Hi,
ng
Jay!
question.
I knew you're not gonna read it, Jay. Si BJI na lang?
Okay.
Alright, go ahead, BJI.
This is for Rins and Jimmy Ricks. Any of the composers can either. For the entry that you sent, while writing the song ba, did you have a particular artist in mind that naaawit ng kanta na sinulat nyo? Okay, let's have, sige, Rins first.
Baka, hindi ba tayo magpuput in trouble baka may ma-mention tapos.
Oh.
I wanna be safe naman para hindi naman Can we na lang kung anong feeling nila na nakuha, yung mga interpreters nila ay andito ngayon kasama nila. DJ, mas okay yun, di ba?
Pwede naman. Or kung baka naman yung talagang naisip nilang mag-interpret, yun din talaga yung...
Baka naman out of 12, ay 12 naman talaga, di ba?
Yes, it's up to you how you want to answer.
Parang gusto ko lang tanongin all composers na lang para, di ba?
Sige po.
Alright, can we start with when you have the list, first composers?
Doon po tayo sa muna, yung Rins and Jimmy Ricks.
Sige, Rins.
Yes. Rins, go ahead.